Hello, today we learn how to geotag the photos which we've got from the Trinity f90 Plus drone. First of all, we should make a folder which would contain the name of the area which you have flown the drone. For example, here we made a folder Village X. In this folder, we have got the following data. First folder contains the fly log, which is the fly log of the drone which we got from the drone SD card. Second, we have got an empty folder called geotag which will contain the images after they have been geotagged. Third is the ibase folder which contains the GPS data which we have got from the ibase placed on a certain point whose coordinates we already know. Third is the KML of that village X for which was used to fly that particular drone in that area. And third is the folder of raw images which contains the images which we have got from the SD card of the drone camera. Now, to start the geotagging, we have to start the QBase 3D application. In this application, we straight away go to the tools and select the second option, which is the post-processing geotag images after flight or export flight data in various formats. As we click, we see this particular window. In the first option, it says select fly log. So the fly log which we have got, we'll select the particular fly log, which was flight2099.bin. Here, as we can see on the right hand side, it says that images 0/75, that is the 75 images has been captured as per the fly log. When we select the images directory, that is the raw directory which we had made, in which we had pasted the photographs got from the SD card. Now we see that the images 75 were there in the SD card and 75 were there as per the fly log. We'll select the output directory, which is the geotagged directory. Now, since we had used an ibase at a particular position where we had known the latitude and longitude, so we'll start the precise positioning of the PPK. When we click the PPK, a particular window opens which we have to kill from the downside, and now you see it says please select a remote location or a local reference file. Since we have placed the ibase, we have a local reference file. We'll click the local reference file. We'll click the plus button and we'll select the ibase file, which is qs364e00.20r, and open it. Now it says reference position, auto detect reference position. No, we have a stored reference position. Now at this particular place, since we know the latitude longitude of that particular point, we'll paste them here. Now we have those in this folder in a particular text format. So we'll paste these latitude copy from here and paste it here, Control V. We'll take the longitude value and we'll paste it here. We'll take the altitude. These are arbitrary values which I have used. These are not accurate values. The antenna offset we'll put at as 0.025 and we'll label this point as X and save this position. After we have done that, we'll click geotagging. We'll click CSV file, that is the comma separated value file. Here we can export yaw, pitch and roll and also omega, phi, kappa if we have to use it for processing in Pix4D or AGAsoft, and we'll click on the KML file. Now it says start. We'll click, since it is a small village, only 75 photos were there, so it won't take that much time. You see the fly 2099 is being processing 30%, 35%. After it will process the fly log, it will start geotagging the photographs and you'll see the count in a particular box below. Now see, it has started processing these photographs. And complete. Here we have to see that the fixed float geotags 100% means that the particular data which we got from the iWaves and the data from the fly log and everything was in perfect condition. The photographs have been perfectly geotagged. We'll open the output directory to see what output we have got here. So this was the folder geotagged. Here it has made another folder which contains the fly log and the date of flying. Under it, the geotag folder contains the images which were there. As you can see, if we click at a particular image and see its properties, we'll see that now these images have a certain latitude and longitude and altitude added to them as an attribute which were not previously there. If we can see in the raw images, we click at a particular image and see that these details were not available there. Also, in this geotag folder, a particular fly.2099 KML is prepared and a CSV file which we are talking about. This is the Excel file which contains the image number, the longitude, the latitude, the altitude, yaw, pitch, roll, omega, pi, kappa. These values are all used for processing of this particular data. Now the fly.kml opens on the Google Earth and will show you the path which the drone took and the area and the number of photographs which it took from there. You need internet connection to open it. See, the drone flew from this place and returned to this place, and these are the number of photographs and the fly lines, as you can see, which were there. This we get from the KML file which we got after the processing. After that, you click this particular thing off. So this is the very simple procedure how to process the data of Trinity F90 Plus using the QBase 3D software. Thank you.